Start by going to gadgetguard.com and then either log into your account or register for a new account. That will bring you to your account dashboard.
Now, there's a few things you want to remember while you're registering. First, you want to make sure that you have your PIN ready for you. This will be in the packaging next to your guard. You also want proof of purchase, which is quick and easy.
Simply take a picture of your receipt that you can later upload.
You will also need your IMEI number.
Your IMEI is a unique 15-digit number for your phone. You can find it by dialing *#06#.
And then you'll find your IMEI number just right there.
In your account dashboard, you will see a list of registered products, if you have any registered products. And this is just where all your information is going to be. If you ever get lost on the site, don't know how to get back, you just want to go up to My Account and click on Account Dashboard, and it'll just bring you back to this home base. To register a product, there's two options. You can click up here at the top, or you can go down here and click Register a Product. If you're French Canadian, there are French instructions by clicking there. Now this is an important part. You want to make sure that you are clicking the correct product. Now you can look at your packaging or you can look at your receipt. For Plus products, you'll have a little sheet that came with your guard that has a pin on it. That's a clue that you have an insured product. If you did not receive that, if you don't see a plus on your receipt, if you don't see a plus on the packaging, then you have a standard product. You have to scroll down to get that. For this video, we're going to go through the Plus registration because it does require a bit more detail because we are actually insuring your screen. At this point, ensure that you are selecting the correct glass, so either flat glass or curved glass. There's 2.0 and lots of options. So what you're selecting, make sure you double check it against what your receipt and packaging says to ensure that you're registering the correct product. So you want to click your correct phone. You want to do the type of phone, and then you go ahead and pick what phone you have. And now pay attention, the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, they don't have the same size screens. You want to make sure you're ordering the correct guard, or else you'll just run into troubles when you're ordering your replacements. It won't be the correct one. So once you have selected all that, you are going to go to the registration form page. You want to click the date from the calendar here. And then you want to get your IMEI number. And it's pretty simple to get your IMEI. You just want to dial *#06#, or you can go into your settings. There's a little window here that gives you that information. Go ahead and finish filling out this form, then upload your receipt. Click Register, and then it's going to give you this page. This is where you need to review all this information, make sure it's correct before you submit your final registration. If you see anything that's wrong, click Return to Registration and fix what's wrong. If everything looks correct, click Register Product, and you're done.
If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to our amazing customer service team. They'll be happy to help you. You can reach them by email at service@gadgetguard.com.